You know, every time I pick up this guitar, I realize something. It's not just strings and wood, it's a mirror. Moreover, it's a teacher. I know it sounds little crazy, like how can a guitar teach you life? But over the years, I felt it. The instrument has given me some of the biggest lessons I needed, not just as a musician. Sorry, I don't use the word musician because I am not, but as a person. Before I go further, I should say this. I love music a lot. It's not just a hobby for me, it's like a oxygen. I listen to songs every single day. It doesn't matter if I am happy, sad, confused, or even bored. Music is always there for me. And this is the cute little one where I can listen songs every day. And the guitar, well, it's become the way that I speak back to the life. The first lesson it ever taught me was patience. See, when I first held a guitar, I thought like I'm going to play songs instantly. But the spoiler is I couldn't even hold a chord properly. My fingers got hurt and honestly, I felt impossible. And the second thing the guitarist showed me is consistency. Consistency always beats talent, right? Maybe or may not be. Most probably, maybe. There is always someone out there who plays faster, smoother, and better. And at first, that can crush you. But I realized the real magic isn't in how gifted you are. It's in how often you show up. If you just touch your guitar 10 minutes every single day, you will become better than the one who practices once in a while. Same with life, right? Consistency creates harmony. It's not about being the most talented. It's all about being more persistent. Another lesson. Listening matters. We think music is all about playing. But the truth is, if you don't listen, you will never connect. You have to hear the rhythm, the other instruments, and the silence between notes. And life works the same way. Sometimes the best thing you have to do isn't about talking louder. It's just about listening. It's about listening to people, to silence, to yourself. Because just like music, those pauses are as powerful as the notes. And here's one of the favorite lessons for me. Imperfection is beautiful. When I record myself playing, I always hear the flaws, missed notes, uneven timing, and blah blah blah. But here's the funny part. Sometimes those imperfections can actually make it more soulful. We can also say it as a life hack. We are so busy trying to polish and perfect. We forgot that our flaws are what makes us real. A wrong chord in music doesn't ruin the song, it just makes it unique. And finally, music is better when you share. Playing alone is amazing, but real joy comes when you share with friends, with strangers, or even your family members. That's why I post covers. It's not about being perfect, but it's about connection. That's it. So yeah, the guitar taught me patience, consistency, listening, embracing imperfections, and sharing. But above all, it taught me that life, like music, isn't about rushing to the end of the song. It's about enjoying every chord, every beat, every imperfect note along the way. This is what my guitar taught me about life. There is one more thing I should admit. As much as I love music, as much as I love to listen songs every single day, sometimes I feel like it's ruining. I keep listening to more and more songs every day. Instead of living my own story, I get lost in someone else's lyrics. Music has been my escape, but sometimes it becomes my cage. So that's why I should stop. Not forever, not completely, but a little bit. Maybe I need to step back to breathe without headphones, to walk around without headset. Because the music is supposed to heal me, it shouldn't be the thing that breaks me. Maybe the hardest lesson music is teaching me right now is knowing when to stop listening and start living. See you in the next one. Bye.